Hello and welcome to my channel Wonders of Price Action. This is the weekly time frame chart of gold. Now gold is coming down from this high. This is the weekly time frame and this was the weekly high. After this high, the market came down to this level which was the low. This was the high of the market and this was the low of the market. From this low, the market went up for this lower high at this level. After this lower high, the market came here down for lower low. This was the low, and the market came down to this level for lower low. After this lower low, the market went back up and retested the lower high. After retesting this lower high, came down and broke this previous lower low, and this is the new recent lower low. So on the weekly time frame, the market is in downward trend. Now, what is expected that the market is going up for a new lower high. Now, this was the previous lower high which was retested. So, it is expected that the market could go maximum up to this level for a new lower high. But if the previous lower high, which has already been retested here, if this level is broken, then the trend will once again be upward. But currently it is downward and it is high probability that the market will go up to this level, that is 1958 or so, I think so. Near this level for a new lower high, then will again come down and will break this lower low. Now let us move to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, this was the previous. On the weekly time frame which I showed you, this is the level which was uh, the previous lower high. If it was here, then retested here and market came down. This was the previous lower low and this is the new lower low. And now market is expected to retest this level, and this would be a new lower high. And after coming from this level, it is expected that the downward lower low will also be broken. If the market breaks the previous lower high which was retested already, it is 1983-85. If we will adjust this level up to this week, then it could go 1983 to 1987. This is the range. This is the previous lower high which has been retested. If this level is broken on the weekly time frame, gold will once again be bullish. But now this is a bearish market and it is expected to come down from this level. Now 2 days, this Thursday and the Friday, are very important days for gold. Both of the days have very important news of USD. One is PCE and the second is NFP on the Friday. So it is expected that it will come down from this level, and if it breaks this level, then it will go up. Now let us move to the 4-hour time frame and watch the market on this level. Now this is the level that I am expecting to sell from. Now let us, we have got support here of the 4-hour market, so it is a possible that from this level it go up to this level. Now let us move to the 1-hour time frame also. On the 1 hour time frame, here we have a support. This is also a support. From this support, it is expected to go up to. Now, if we watch this on the 1 hour time frame, it looks it is 1958 level. 1958. Currently, it is running on the 1942, and that the I am expecting the market that is 1958. So this is the market we need to sell from, and the stop loss be above 1983, 84, even up to 86. This is a zone. So if we put here, now let me adjust this one here. This is 1987 and 1950, 58. Now we can adjust this up to even up to this level. Now let me remove this. If you want to, you can put cell from 1958. So this is one from 1958 to 1963. Now let me remove this also. Let me, yes, even from 1958, that was level on the weekly time frame. But on the 4 hour time frame, we have these levels. Adjusted on the lower time frames 1963 or 1958, but I am putting the entry at 1963, stop loss above 1987. Then we will find the take profit options. Now let us move to the daily time frame for putting the short position, and it will depend on the news on both of the days, but we are following the current market setup. Now this is the entry for sale, and this level 90 above 1987 is the stop loss. Now let me adjust this. This is the entry. This is the stop loss, and for take profit, what options do have we now? After entry at 1980, and now let us move to now these are the levels that I have put for, but now let me remove this all and just say to make it clear that what take profits we have available. Now this is the entry. Now let us move to the 4 hour time frame for finding more take profit options. After in this entry, we can have the first take profit at this level. Now this is the entry, then this is the first take profit. Now let me adjust this. This is we can have one take profit at this level also. Now let me adjust this. One will be here. Now I am adjusting these take profits. Now I think it could be at this level. This is the first take profit, and here we have the second take profit, and where this is second. For the third, this is the third take profit. This is the fourth take profit, and this is now these are the quite nearer, but first now let us move to the daily time frame for first of all, these are the take profit options. Now let me once again on the 4 hour time frame. I think it will be easier for us to understand. Now this is the 1960. This is the entry. This is the 4 hour time frame chart of gold. This is the entry for sell. This is stop loss. This is TP1, TP2, TP3, TP4, TP5, TP6, and TP7. Like my this video, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. I'll be coming in the next video with another analysis. Bye.